isolation warm-up for middle school age groups, starting with our head, working down through the body. Feet are in a parallel second, gaze is straight ahead. Starting with the head, nodding, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tilted side to side. Right, left, right, left, 5, 6, looking over chin to the shoulder, and look, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, head rotate, 8 counts around to the right, chin drops down, we reverse, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, same thing, 4 counts, roll it right, 2, 3, 4, take it left, 2, moving on to shoulders, up and down, 3, 4, 5, 6, now just the right, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch it left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and alternate, a right, a left, a right, a left, rolling shoulders back, and 1, 2, 3, reverse roll front, 1, 2, 3, repeat again, roll back, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll front, 1, 2, moving down, rib cage to the right, left, making sure the hips stay isolated, and release, contract, front, back, same thing, 4, to the right, left, release, contract, release, repeat, 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, release, contract, now making a box to the front, side, back, side, again, right, side, back, reverse it left, take it front, left, contract, front, left, contract, now a smooth roll right, around, 2 times, reverse, left, around, 2 times, good, moving on to the hips, little bit of bend in the knees, isolating the hips, shoulders stay in line, and right, left, just to the right, pop the right, 8 counts each, left, pop the left, and same thing, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and single with the arms, rocking side to side, move those hips, good, right leg circles, round, little heel lift with this, 5, 6, 7, circle left, and circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same thing, 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, left, 1, 2, 3, good, bring the feet together, now we're in a parallel first position, working the ankles, point, flex, point, slide the foot back, point, flex, point, slide, point, flex, point, slide, point, flex, point, slide. Moving on to foot isolations, right foot stretching forward, 6, 7, and tendu, and flex, and point, close first, tendu, flex, point, close, tendu, stretching the top of the ankle, making sure that the alignment stays straight through the shin, add a passe, point, passe, touching the knee, point, spine is aligned, our body is nice and straight while doing this, passe, passe, good, now we're going to rotate our legs from our hip socket, moving us into first position turned out, making sure that the bottom is squeezed underneath us and the shoulders stay in line with the hips. Arms are going to be placed in second position and shoulders are pressed down to engage our back. Same thing. And point, flex, point, change feet. Shift your weight so you're not falling over on the toe. Point, flex, point, change, point, flex, add the passe, keep the arms strong. Point, passe. The leg is turned out, which means our knee is slightly on the diagonal. Point, passe, and close, point, passe. Good. Lower the arms, return back to parallel first position. And circling the ankle to the right. Circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reverse it left and circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it down. Left foot, we're going to take our arms up so we stretch, keeping the shoulders pressed down. And circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We talk about equal and opposite energy here. So we have arms that are stretching up while our foot and leg are stretching out. Good. Back to parallel first. Working through the foot. Ball, point, ball, heel. Pressing 5 toes into the floor. Every time we press up to the toe, we make sure that the foot is in line with the shin. Up. Good. Same thing. Rotate, turn out again into that parallel first position. Arms pressed down into second. Working through the foot. Ball, point. Using the toes to force up onto that big toe. Working the arch of the foot. Point, ball, heel, ball, point, ball, heel. Good. Now we're working the spine. So a curved spine as well as a flat back spine. Starting with a roll down, the chin drops to the chest. We're going to take 8 counts to get to the bottom. 5, 6, here we go. And roll. 2, 3, halfway 4, 5, 6, 7, down for 8, recovering 1 vertebrae at a time. Shoulders roll down, then the head realigns. Repeat. 1, 2. You really want to make sure that you're using all 8 counts to get all the way to the bottom. Engage the bottom, squeezing 1 vertebrae at a time, pressing those shoulders down, head align. Arms stretch up, make sure the shoulders stay down. Now, sending the pelvis backwards, lengthening through the top of the head, really ensuring that you have a straight, flat back. And up, keeping those arms straight above our head, and a lateral without pushing into our hip. Curving the spine side, finding center to realign. Curving the spine side, finding center to realign. Arms down, and whole sequence again from the roll and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't touch till 8, then recover a full 8 counts. Shoulder, head, the last thing to come up. Again, shoulders, upper back, lower back, touch the ground, lower back, upper back, shoulders, and finally the head. Keeping the shoulders pressed down, lengthening out through the spine, pressing into the hamstrings, long flat back, especially aware of the lower back. Shoulders are engaged down, recovering. Laterals to the side. Without pushing into the hip, keeping our weight equal on both feet. Other way, recover.